Hey guys, it's your girl Nurse B and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new to my channel is all about nursing, lifestyle, and all things B. Today's video is all about essential items for nursing students. Yes, it's that time, it's back to school, so I have you covered. First things first, every nursing student is going to need, you're gonna need a laptop. I have a Mac Pro, but you do not need a Mac Pro. Honestly, you can get any affordable laptop. You can get the HP. My laptop was like 200 bucks, but you do need a laptop, and you want a laptop that is going to last you like literally 2 to 4 years. So invest in honestly, laptops are so affordable nowadays, so just make sure that you get yourself a laptop, because the laptop is going to be your best friend. You're gonna probably carry your laptop everywhere, especially now majority of nursing school is online, so just make sure you have a laptop so you can keep up with all your assignments. Next, you are going to need a watch. Obviously, this is the iWatch. Some schools allow the iWatch during clinicals, but I know during testing, a lot of schools and a lot of programs will not allow you to wear your iWatch, you know, because of cheating and all that. But a lot of schools, you do need a watch. Now, you can get any watch. You can get a watch from Walmart. I know they're really affordable. Walmart, like $7. You just want to watch with a second hand because when you're studying. So I think that if you have a dry erase board, especially when you're studying, it's convenient just to help you study. Especially when you're done reading your notes, you just go in with your dry erase. You rewrite your notes. You rewrite important information over and over, or you can just to like as a weekly calendar, you know, just to basically be a little reminder for you of things you need to get done. You know, there's the markers, there's also, you know, a eraser, and also the spray. Next item is going to be, you need a binder and you need some folders. Now, this binder you can find at Walmart. This is a 2-inch and it's just a basic binder. It's nothing fancy. For those of you who are new and this is going to be your first semester in nursing school, you will be receiving a lot of handouts. So for me personally, I think binders are extremely convenient and it keeps you organized, so you can keep all your papers in just one binder. I know some people like to use notebooks. For me, I thought notebooks wasn't convenient, especially when you have a binder. You can like put your notes in here. You can put all your handouts, because handouts are huge. You do need a folder. Your folder will basically, you can put it in your binder. Again, it's just important stuff you want to keep organized. You want to be organized. So binder, folder. A clipboard. Yes, you need a clipboard. So the clipboard that I got is this clipboard, I like to say it's like literally 3-in-1. I'm going to tell you why. This clipboard also, you can store your paperwork in it. And the reason I got this, I feel like this particular clipboard is convenient, is because of HIPAA. You know, when you're in clinicals, you're gonna have patients assigned to you, and I think this is extremely secure, so you can make sure that all your notes, so everything you take for the day, you can just put it right in here, and you will not be violating HIPAA because no one's gonna see anything, so you're covering your face. But also in the back of the clipboard, you have a little cheat sheet. So this cheat sheet basically has like your normal blood gas values. It also has your vital sign range for basically babies to like school age to adult. So it has like all that. You also have EKG. You also have like, you know, blood product transfusions, and you also have temperature, and it also does conversions. So it's just like all, like, let me see if I can see like little cheat just to help. So yes, another product you're gonna need is this Lipton Pocket Drug Guide for nurses. So this is the 2020. okay? And basically this just has all your different drugs, especially when you're in clinical. You're going to be assigned patients, and you might be assigned to a patient that you're administering a drug you never heard of. So you can keep this literally in your scrub pocket and just pull it out, look at it real quick, see what this drug is, what does it do, and go on about your business. No, but I really think this is helpful. It's extremely convenient, and I love the fact that it is, look at how small it is. It's literally the size of my palm. This is what you need, convenience at your hands. The student is going to need a stethoscope. So this is how it looks. Nothing fancy, you know. Nothing fancy, but this is the stethoscope, you know. And what I like about this is the simple fact that you are able to, with the tubing, you can just wipe it off once you're done. It's very lightweight, which is nice, and the quality is amazing. I need to have a manual blood pressure cuff, just because even though you are able to, so here it is right here, this is the cuff. Even though in obviously at clinicals you will have the you'll be able to use the blood pressure monitor in the room, it's important to know how to do manual blood pressure, especially when you're first starting off in nursing school. You do have a class, you know, where they do practice. So honestly, before you start nursing school, I recommend you get yourself a blood pressure cuff, a manual blood pressure cuff, and start practicing. Practice on everybody in your house, practice on your friends, and just get really comfortable of taking a manual blood pressure. I also got this stethoscope holder. So basically this is just to put your stethoscope in, and the reason I got this one, that this is the inside, I love this one because it does have compartments, so you can put your stethoscope in here. You can also know your scissors, your pen light, and also you want to keep alcohol wipes. I think it's important for every nursing student to carry alcohol wipes with them at all times, just because you want to be wiping stuff down. And also too, with everything going on, even though there is hand sanitizer everywhere, you just want to make sure that you have like wipes, so that when you're done using your between patients, you're able to wipe down every item. Calculator. You need a basic calculator. You see how basic this calculator is? This is all you need in nursing school. You don't need any scientific anything. You need a basic calculator, and this is all they're going to want you to use anyways, because every semester you will be taking a drug calculation exam. In a lot of schools, if you can't pass it, you can't continue the semester. So it's important you just have a basic calculator. This was literally, I think, $1 or $2 at Walmart, and you can even go to 99-cent store and get one for 99 cents. You are going to need some pen lights. So these are pen lights that I purchased right here. You see it? Yeah. So I got these pen lights, and let me see if I can take it out of the box. So I got these pen lights right here, and I love it because these pen lights are so easy to use. They are battery operated, so you do need to put battery in them, but just insert your battery right here. And also on the side of it, it also has like a chart where you can compare your pupils, so when you're doing your eye exams, which are really nice. But yeah, these pen lights are really good, and the price is really good on Amazon, because you literally get 2 for the price of 1, so you get 2 pen lights. Next item that you are going to need is pens. Now pens, I know, like every nursing students, they are like, nursing school, I'm telling you, you are going to love. I fell in love with these felt tip pens while in nursing school, because like I love to color coordinate. When I took notes, you know, I had a way of, you know, just like, you know, color coordination for all my, it was weird, but like I just like was anal, and it just helped me when I had to go back and study. So you will need pens, especially black and red pens. They are your friend in nursing school. Ooh, this is a Sharpies. You will need Sharpies, especially at clinic. Sharpies are amazing because you can attach them to your bag. When you're hanging like blood, sometimes you have to date and time. Also, when you are getting rid of patient labels in the room, so you want to be able to just erase, like patient names. You want to erase like, things that will violate HIPAA. You want it. So Sharpies are good because Sharpies are your best. You need to wear your so make sure that you have a badge holder so you can just like basically clip your ID. You can't walk around a facility with, you need a name badge to show it. But these are very cute because it says, "It's a beautiful day to save lives." So I thought this was really cute. Can you read it? Can you read it? Oh, that was cute. What? And this pack, I think this pack has like, let me see. This pack was affordable, so I think it had like it has 3 in it, and it's different styles. So that one had a saying. This one is coffee scrubs rubber gloves. This is cute too. And then this one is just one with a stethoscope. Which one? You are going to need a backpack. Now, this backpack I got from Amazon. I read the reviews. The reviews are amazing. And another reason that I was drawn to this backpack was the support that you have. But this has a nice support. Look at the support right here for your back, and also like for your shoulders right here. You have like that support, and also here in your lower back you have that extra support which is needed. But look at the compartment spaces in here. So you have, here is for your laptop. Oh, I lied. Here is for your laptop. And look at this. There is a USB attached to this backpack. So you can literally charge it right here. So if you have any phone or anything that takes this type of USB, you can definitely charge. It's really deep, and also look at all the compartments. You have like really 2 spacious compartments. This one, I think it is waterproof. You also have your a side for your water bottle, which you need to stay hydrated in nursing school because you will be on the run. Last but not least, you need a planner. So this is a 2021 planner. I got this at Target, and I got this particular style of planner because I'm gonna show you. You obviously have the month view. So this one is basically, you can have like a weekly view. In the weekly view, you have like a to-do list where you can like basically put like, things you need to do, whether it's like attend clinicals, study. So I would invest in a planner. This was, I want to say like 15, and I know you can go to Marshalls and TJ Maxx and find something similar for a little less. In school, you need a planner. You want to plan. You want to make sure that you are writing things down. And my biggest advice is when you get accepted into nursing school and you have access to your syllabus, make sure you go through it and write down all your test dates, and make sure you write down important dates in your planner. Comment down below and let me know what other essential items do you need to get you through your nursing semester. Until next time, it's your girl Nurse B. Bye.